talk a little bit about the counts, because I know excessive force was a huge discussion in the whole federal trial. They brought a 30-year veteran, law enforcement veteran, to come in and explain whether these defendants violated MPD policy. But they were found not guilty. All three of them were found not guilty on excessive force and failure to intervene. You talk about the video, you see it on the video, but not guilty on excessive force and failure to intervene. Failure to intervene, Tyre Nichols' health state after the beating. You know, how do you think they came to that conclusion?
Well, again, I think that they looked carefully and also based on the testimony to see who actually did the greater part of the beating, if you will. And I don't think that they could determine whether any of the three former officers who were on trial actually committed the bulk of the beating. That's the only explanation that I can glean. And then I've also heard the defense lawyer talking about the fact that Tyre Nichols ran away. Well, he was being beaten at the outset, based on the video that I saw, and he ran away to keep from being beaten. And then was caught and beaten some more and actually beaten to death. But I think the jury looked at who was actually doing the greater part of it and obviously determined that the three officers who went to trial did not contribute to the death of Tyre Nichols in the beating part.
So what happens next? As we've mentioned, there is the state trial. What are your predictions? Because I did talk to one defense attorney who told me that often a guilty verdict in the federal court will kind of nudge things along and may not even be a trial in the state court because they might find it to their benefit to just go ahead and plead.
I tend to agree with that, Richard. They have been found, all three of these officers, former officers, have been found guilty of something. And they may try with their lawyers to try to reach some kind of a plea deal in state court. Maybe a lesser than second-degree murder, and try to get whatever sentence they get in state court to run concurrent with whatever sentence that Judge Mark Norris is going to impose, I think in January, in the federal court. I expect that to happen for a lot of different reasons. It's for expedience sake, for cost sake. I mean, they have to pay these lawyers. So I would not be surprised if we see some attempts at plea deals.
And what about the